What's up, you guys? This is Adnesne Lily, and we are gonna do glam while getting tipsy. Alright, so I already pre-gamed. There's a twist to this glam and tipsy. Well, first of all, I'm already tipsy. I've already taken 3 shots and drinking some nice hard. Shh. The twist is that we're gonna let YouTube choose how I do my glam today. So for example, if I'm gonna do eyeshadow, I'm gonna type in the search bar, best eyeshadow ideas for brown eyes, let's say. Whatever pops up first is the one I'm gonna do. So let's get to it. Ow. So I already have a prepped face. For primer, I have Tatcha, and Too Faced. I thought I ordered the big one, so I don't know if this is just for the eyes or not. So I'm gonna use this one today. I heard this one doesn't really work well, but I'm gonna use it because I've been using it. It's pretty expensive anyway. Why not use it? I will say that this primer is very silky and nice, but oh my gosh, I watched this YouTube video and they were saying that it's like such a good texture, but apparently the foundation doesn't stick on, which I think I agree because I swear I stopped wearing makeup because the makeup would just fall in my eyes, and that's probably why. But I'm gonna abuse it and use it until it runs out. Dude, I'm so drunk. The next step is foundation. And before we do that, we're gonna take a shower. Ooh, I gotta keep it down. Okay, so the one I'm using today is Chanel. So this isn't a full coverage. Oh, it's called a Water Fresh Tint. And I really like this one because I'm not a full, what is it called? Oh my god, dude, this looks fucking horrible. As you can see, I don't wear makeup often. Well, this is what I have, so. Okay, it's looking better. But I meant full coverage. I'm not a full coverage girly. And to be honest with you, I never wear primer. So this is why I have this reaction, because I've never seen it like chunky. Either that or I'm too tipsy. Or I just never noticed. I don't know. Oh, fuck. You guys, I forgot concealer. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go for semi full coverage today. And I know some of you guys are aching because like, ew, I'm doing it with my fingers. But girl, this is my video. This is my tutorial. I can do it however I want to do it. Oh god, I don't even know if this looks good. Dude, I look so white. Trust the process. Whatever process I have, trust it. Oh, and I have, oh, dude, I can't even think. This is how I know I'm tipsy. What was I saying? What is this called? This. What is this called? A tan. I have this fake tan on. So my skin is way different and I didn't get new foundation for it. But I do want to get back into makeup because it makes me feel more confident in myself. And yeah. Okay, next thing is, well, I want to do concealer, so let's do some concealer. Where is my concealer? Oh, so like I said, I don't wear makeup often, so this is why I have a lot of random little stuff. So I use this one by NARS. It's a light 2 vanilla, and this is the one I use. What? Did you guys hear the noise I'm making with my mouth? It's like popping sounds. Like, ew, stop. Okay, so I'm only doing these steps not using YouTube because these are like, duh, you know what I mean? Like, duh, where else would these go? Oh, and I have a little bit of acne down here, so I'm just gonna pat it on there. I'm sorry, I'm also looking at my camera because that's what I'm using to put this on. I don't know if that's weird. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself. Shot time! Drink up! Oh, why do I hold it? Why do I hold it? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do foundation one more time. Well, I mean, that's fine. This girl on here is doing her concealer. Oh my gosh, I do not, wait. Oh, she's doing contour. So that's the first video, contour. So I don't know where my sponge is. Skipping that. So now we're gonna focus on contour and I'm gonna use her as a guidance. So I do now. Because I don't have the liquid version of it, I'm just gonna do the powdered version and don't mind me. You know what? This should be trying to do makeup with me video because I'm trying. I don't know what I'm doing. For the darker shades, I'm gonna use the darkest shade here. She said right here. And I'm gonna blend it later, so don't freak out on me. Oh, shit. Right here, right here, right here. Right here, and then for the smaller portion of it, I'm gonna use this A20. Oh, and this is makeup by Ariel. Dude, his brushes are amazing. She did it right here, and I've heard it's good to go all the way up to your nose. Ugh, I shouldn't have done that. Dude, I'm gonna look so good. And then she said dip right here. Here. Does my nose look better? Okay, now it's time to blend. So I'm gonna do this first. I look so good right now. So on the camera, I look like decent, but in the mirror behind you guys, I look like shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, I could have put concealer in those spots. Why didn't you tell me? Oh no, I don't know if this is a good idea. Here and right here. Okay, perfect. I wish I had that. I took it from this thing and I was literally just playing with it and I don't know what I do with it. Just because I can remember. It makes me want to vote. Okay, let's finish this shit. You know what drunk feels like? I just like thought about it. It feels like everything is up closer to you, but yet you forget about it, so then it's foggy. Yeah, if I could explain being drunk, that is what I would say. Where the fuck is my brush? You know what? Improvise. Not too bad. Boom, boom, boom. You know, this isn't too bad. I actually like this. Honestly, I low-key prefer this better than a sponge. I stole this from my mom. If anybody is wondering. Fucking stole it, and I never told her. Don't tell her. And then I'm gonna use this bigger one, 58. Do some contouring, some freaking blending, and I'm gonna put some here. I used to do my makeup all the time in high school. Dude, I had, oh my gosh, my acne was so bad in high school. Right now I just have like mainly scarring and like obviously textured skin, but I feel like textured skin is normal. I don't know, I criticize myself too much, I feel. Oh, honestly, this looks good. This looks so good. I'm feeling myself.
Nice.
Dude. Okay. Contour. Check. Next is blush. And this is a Real, which I already washed by her. This brand in the color Cheek Kiss. So cute. Honestly, this is my favorite one. I'm not saying this because I have a favorite one, but because this is the only one I've ever tried. I've honestly never owned blush. This is my first one, so don't take me too seriously. Okay, she said to add it right here, like almost like an L, and then add some right here. This is probably too big of a brush, but whatever. This brush tickles. Right here. Dude, she's gorgeous. So jealous. I went to a wrestling tournament today. Oh my gosh, this side looks so good. Ew, don't look at that. You know what this is? Like me talking to myself. Does that make me crazy? Okay, like I'm okay talking with myself, but is it technically talking to myself because technically I'm talking to you? Yeah, I'm not crazy. But if you weren't looking, would I be crazy? Food for thought. Next step is eyeshadow, and I'm really nervous for this because I'm gonna do a smoky eyeshadow, and I don't like that because eyeshadows scare me because you can easily mess it up. We got this. We're strong. We got this. And I'm drunk, so we got this. So it's gonna be by her. Okay, so she used a liquid base, which I don't have. So instead of that liquid base, I'm just gonna improvise. I'm actually gonna use this color right here. This one's by James Charles. I know this is really old, but oh shoot. But I really don't have anything else. Like a different palette. Oh my god, this is so dark. Oh no, I should have shaken it off. Did I even shake it off? Whatever. We can fix this, right? Next eye. I shouldn't even shake it off. This one looks way crazier than this one. Why? Oh my gosh, I hate it. Okay, no, it could be good. Someone teach me makeup. I so messed up. I feel it.
Tones on me because a totally lighter
What the
shadow.
fuck?
I'll use
Chug.
all the colors that we're doing.
I so messed up. I'm gonna use a lighter color. I used this color right here and she used it above here. I'm kind of liking it. Next step, she used something this. She used a darker shade and she put it under here. I've never done this before. Someone please do my makeup. Oh my gosh. Okay, so in high school, I did do my makeup, but it was mostly, oh my god. But it was mostly like foundation and mascara because I have pretty long eyelashes, so that's really all I needed. So I never got to work with eyeshadow, and plus, like I said, I've always had bad luck with makeup because it would just get into my eyes and my eyes, excuse me, my eyes turn red really fast. Oh, and then she
So when I saw this picture of
did that. I'm gonna break the seal, you guys. I have to break the seal. Shame, I couldn't hold it any longer. She said brown, orange.
That's the first color I put on.
Eyes stand out. No matter what your eye color.
Trust me, girl, my eyes are standing out. Alright, so we're gonna use a darker color than that because obviously I can't go lighter. I'm using the A11. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I'm not hating it. So blend out the edges with a clean brush. Blend it. Oh, girls, blend it. I'm just gonna blend this out. Hopefully take some product off. Blend. Yes, girl, yes. Blend. Oh, I heard if you hold it at the end. Oh my gosh, look how dark. Oh my gosh. Next, after profusively, if that's even the right word, blending, she used something like this. Add it underneath her eyes. So I'm just gonna use a dark color that I put on. You guys, do you love it? Oh, I just want to close my eyes. Okay, next step is to use this brush. Oh my god, it has two ends. I'm gonna use A19 and I'm gonna do the lighter shade. Oh, wait, never mind. Scratch that. A20, I'm gonna do the lighter shade like I had said. To just do this. Ooh, I look good. She said don't worry about it, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Girl, I've never looked this good before. Whoa, I poked myself in the eye. Ow. Honestly, my eyes have never looked so sharp. Enjoy. Next step. Dude, I have raccoon eyes. Look at my eye. Look at me. Look. I have raccoon eyes. So now she said to go in with concealer and take off the raccoon eyes. So here's more product to my raccoon eyes. You guys, help me here. This is crazy. Oh my god, she used a sponge and I still can't find my sponge. I guess I can just use my finger. You know what? I never claimed this was a professional makeup tutorial, so that's on you. Why do I want to open my mouth every single time I do this? Right? Like, what the heck? What am I, a weirdo? Freaking weirdo. Don't do that. I just noticed that the girl that I'm following this makeup tutorial, she has green eyes. I love green eyes, but I have brown eyes and I don't know if this will work out, but she said to add shimmer, so we're gonna add some shimmer. I'm gonna go in with this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, I'm going in with that one. Oh, she used a brush. Okay. Psych. I'm gonna go in with, oh, I can finally use this. Okay, the A19, this one, and I'm just gonna pat it on my eyelid. Honestly, guys, either I'm so drunk or this looks really good. I'm gonna add more. Some more is better. I just found out that makeup expires. Like, what the heck? So you're telling me I have to use this whole palette within like a year? That's fucked up. What if I freeze it? If I freeze it, will it last until I open it again? Food for thought. Cheers. Okay, so she added a darker color, which, girl, this ain't dark enough. I guess I'm gonna use A20, a darker shadow. That one's like almost, fuck it. Oof, I don't know. I think I'm gonna mess this up, you guys. Oh no. Blend, 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 blend. Oh, it looks good. Trust the process, trust the process. Oh, girl. Sorry here. Okay, next up, she added some like glitter eyeliner, so I'm just gonna pop some right there. I use like the golden color. I'll show you guys in a little bit. That's good, right? I used this one, and I think she used it in her like waterline, but I don't have that. All right, you guys, so I am done finally with the eyeshadow. Next, we're gonna do mascara. So I'm gonna do my mascara following her. Okay, psych, because she warms up her eyelash curler, which I know it does work, but I don't want no split ends on my eyelashes. What? Okay, so this is what I do. I usually put in my eyelashes, and then I like to hold out my eye, and then curl, grab them, look down, and pull them up just a little bit for like 30 seconds. It's like magic. Look at that. Next eyelash. Like, I can touch my eyebrow with my eyelashes. Let's work on this one. So same thing. Pull, grab, pick up, look down. Like I said, 30 seconds it'll do. Once you have done both eyelashes, you're gonna do them one more time. And then you're gonna put mascara on. I like to spread them out.
Okay.
Mascara. I don't like to put them on the top. I actually just put them on the bottom because I don't like to weigh them down. And then if you want to do your bottom, I don't know if it's still a thing, but I like it. I hate this mascara. I don't recommend it. It's a tubing mascara, and every single time I use it, my eyelashes like way down. It's insane. Sometimes it is nice because it's tubing, so they just come out easily without smearing, but it's like, dang, like what's this for then? It does not stay up at all, and it's so annoying. If you have a better mascara, you put it on. It's gonna look bomb. So next step is lip. Let's see. So today I'm using the Milani 03 Nude. I love, love, love this lip liner. So she said to start here and swoop. Swoop. Went in the middle. And then she said up here. Make it thicker than the lower. Alright, you guys, lipstick, and I'm using the Fenty Heat today in the color Fussy Heat. Whoa, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't have any setting spray. Oh, eyebrows, last thing. Eyebrows, I'm just gonna, because I don't have any eyebrow stuff. Come up, sexy. My girls, what do you think? Honestly though, this doesn't look too bad. I'm actually not mad about it. I look good. Well, thanks for tuning in. Because I'm so drunk. Please comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Girl, we look good. Do you want to go out tonight or what?